Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So let me show you the new update for Aimogen, which is now able to call Microsoft Azure OpenAI Assistants and use them directly. So this was available until now only if you use the OpenAI API service directly. If you used Microsoft Azure, assistants were not available in the Aimogen plugin, but in the latest update you will be able to use AI assistants also if you are using the Microsoft Azure OpenAI API. So for this, set up your OpenAI API in the settings API keys tab, add your API key from Azure, add your endpoint URL here. You can also select the API version now that you want to use, because this was not possible until now. So in the assistants, be sure to select a recent version, because assistants were added recently only to Azure OpenAI API. Okay, so afterwards we can set up a deployment and add a deployment name, but we can also go ahead and test assistants. So now let's go to AI assistants menu here, and we will be able to add a new assistant. So let Azure Assistant, and let's set, for example, GPT-4o mini as its model, and all we have to do is save settings now. So we saved a new Azure Assistant now, and we will be able to use this assistant in the chatbot. So click AI chatbot, and in the API parameters tab, in the chatbot assistant name, we will be able to get the Azure Assistant listed. So save settings, and now we switch to Azure Assistant instead of the AI chatbot model. So we no longer use a chatbot model, instead we use assistants. So we will be able to test the assistant. So let's write hi, simply hi to it, and Azure Assistant will reply soon as it is seen here. Okay, so we have some extensions here which are interfering with our responses. So let's disable these extensions of the chatbot and try again. Also, let's enable response streaming to get faster responses from the chatbot part. So let's try this again. So let's write hi. Now, hello, how can I assist you today? Count to 100, and let's see, it counted to 100. And yeah, this is how you will be able to use the assistants from Azure also. And the good part of assistants is that assistants don't need local storage of conversations, because the memory is on the Azure servers part. So this will make conversations much easier and lighter on your server, because the plugin will not have to store all the previous messages and send them back to the AI service. So the conversation will be able to be continued, because this is handled in assistants on the server's part on Azure or on OpenAI's part. So this is why you should switch to assistants if you want to use the chatbot. Okay, so Azure Assistants possible to be used in the latest update. Go ahead and check Aimogen. It is linked in this video's description. Also, you can see how to use assistants in this tutorial video, and if you have more questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. Thank you for watching. Until then, this is all for today. Bye bye.